Do you know many people are having trouble with the flashing yellow triangle light on their Canon Pixma TS3122? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Stop button. First, press the Stop button on the printer. Step 2. Confirm Setup message. Confirm that the screen displays the Setup completion message. Step 3. Turn off printer. Next, turn off the printer by pressing the ON button. Step 4. Turn printer back on. Wait for a few seconds and then turn the printer back on. Step 5. Check light status. Finally, check if the yellow triangle light has stopped flashing. After following these steps, your Canon Pixma TS3122 should no longer have the flashing yellow triangle light. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Canon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.